Oh my gosh, there was so much that I took away from class. My favorite part was just the soft cuts,
fine tuning, and more detail.
The undercutting and the deep point cutting.
The way they explained, it really helped me to be able to speak to my clients and explain better what I'm doing.
No shortcuts, and to just be passionate about what you do.
definitely the undercutting.
I like the curling technique, the way.
Oh yeah.
I'm definitely gonna incorporate that.
Too, yeah.
A lot of the styling, a lot simpler than I thought.
Definitely the finishing, the blending.
100%.
Absolutely.
Yes.
It drastically changed my career.
To everyone, like what you see on picture and seeing it in person, it's incredible.
Absolutely. To all of my folks that I work with and anyone that's willing to improve on their craft.